Everyone asks me the same thing, Claude or ChatGPT? Wrong question. The people getting the most out of AI don't pick one. They run both, like a two-person team. Here's how we split the work. 2 tools, 2 jobs. Claude is depth, long writing, reading big documents, thinking things through. ChatGPT is breadth, fast ideas, quick drafts, ask it anything. Think of a newsroom. ChatGPT is the fast reporter, 10 angles in seconds. Claude is the editor, takes the best one and makes it deep, structured, and right. So here's the workflow. 1. ChatGPT to brainstorm an outline. 2. Claude to write the real draft and reason through it. 3. Back to ChatGPT for quick variations and social cutdowns. A real example, this very topic, ChatGPT gave us 8 title angles in 20 seconds. Claude wrote the long draft and caught the gaps in the logic. 2 tools, 1 workflow. The lesson? Don't pick by loyalty, root by task. Deep work, Claude. Broad and fast, ChatGPT. Run them as a team and you stop fighting the wrong tool for the job. If you're curious what's possible for your business, come and explore at aaprostudios.com.